Hey, it's Mike with Lead Power Steering. This video is going to show how to install our reusable high pressure hose ends. They're pretty simple. This is what all our race team guys use. They work great. No need to really run a crimped hose with these. It makes it easy to clock your hoses and fittings. So basically you'll unthread the ferrule and then this threads onto the hose end. And the only thing you can really mess up with these is by not doing this as a reverse thread, because it does go backwards. What we typically like to do is make a mark on the hose. You measure down to the bottom. It's about 900 thousandths down in there. So then we'll take a pair of calipers and mark the hose so that you know you're getting the hose all the way in and bottomed out. Then, like I said, reverse thread. Thread that end on, and you can feel it stop, but then it also lines up with the mark that I made. So then once you get that done, you'll come here, we'll put a little bit of power steering fluid on the hose so that it lets it go in there. And then you'll put that in and start that. And then if you can just put it in a vise, and then take a wrench, and you will tighten this all the way down. And that's what basically crimps the hose internally. There's some teeth in there that it crimps, and you'll feel it get tighter and tighter. Until you finally get it down and bottom it out. And that's how to install a high pressure reusable hose end.